yet another part of human reproduction has moved into the lab. This time it's placenta. Scientists at the University of Cambridge have successfully grown one in a petri dish that has survived a whole year, according to research published in the journal ironically named Nature. The placenta is the organ a woman develops in her uterus when she's pregnant, in case you forgot, which provides oxygen and nutrients to the growing baby, as well as removes waste products from the baby's blood. In order to make one in a lab, the scientists studied all the molecules in a placenta to find the ones that were sending the right signals that seemed to make the placenta grow. Once they had identified the right blend of molecules, they took cells from an aborted healthy placenta and put them into a petri dish with a specific blend of factors. And within a week, the cells began to grow into organoids, or small blobs of tissue, which acted like a normal placenta would. They expressed the same genes and secreted the same peptides and hormones. And one of the ways they knew that was that they actually tested it with a clear and simple digital pregnancy test, which came out positive, just as it would as if a woman was beginning to develop a placenta in her own body because she was pregnant. They did this a year ago, and the cells continue to live and remain stable to this day. This is good news for women with pregnancy complications, they say. Studying the placenta has been very hard up until now. Issues like stillbirths and fetal growth restriction are thought to be due to problems in the development of the placenta in the first trimester. Keeping a placenta alive in a lab means we can now study them better and run tests on them, which we can't really do ethically on actual moms and babies. And hopefully, we can come up with solutions to solve such complications. It also means we've taken yet another step toward making humans in labs completely, as opposed to that tired old way of just, having sex. At this point, we can now fertilize an egg outside of the body. We can pick the eye color of our babies. And there are even tests for us to pick the smartest of the embryos we make in a lab, while discarding the dumbest. Fully making a human in a lab is still probably a long way off in terms of our puny lifespans. But in terms of the lifespans of the superior humans born into labs, which will most likely dwarf our own, lab-grown humans could be here in the blink of a perfect, pretty 2020 eye.